Hello friends, welcome to Notecode. We are learning Spring Framework. Today's topic is Spring AOP. In this session, we will be discussing about the concept and feature of aspect-oriented programming. What is aspect-oriented programming? Aspect-oriented programming complements object-oriented programming by providing another way of thinking about program structure. Object-oriented programming breaks down the application into hierarchy of objects, whereas aspect-oriented programming breaks down the programs into aspects or concerns. Let's try to understand what is aspect and what is cross-cutting concerns. Cross-cutting concerns. Aspects help developers to implement cross-cutting concerns in a centralized fashion rather than implementing similar logic in multiple places, such as transaction management, authentication, logging, security, etc. AOP concepts and terminology. AOP concepts and terminologies are as follows. Aspect, join point, advice, point cut, introduction, target object, AOP proxy, weaving. Let's discuss each in brief. Aspect. What is aspect? A modularization of a concern that cuts across multiple classes. Transaction management is a good example of a cross-cutting concern in J2EE applications. Join point. A point during the execution of a program, such as the execution of a method or the handling of an exception. In Spring AOP, a join point always represents a method execution. Advice. What is advice? Action taken by an aspect at a particular join point. Different types of advice includes around, before, and after advice. In this, we will be discussing in brief after this slide. Point cut. A predicate that matches join points. Advice is associated with a point cut expressions and runs at any join point matched by the point cut. For example, the execution of a method with a certain name. The concept of join points as matched by point cut expressions is central to AOP, and Spring uses the aspect J point cut expression language by default. Introduction. Declaring additional methods or fields on behalf of a type. Spring AOP allows you to introduce new interfaces to any advised object. Target object. What is target object? Object being advised by one or more aspects, also referred to as the advised object. Since Spring AOP is implemented using runtime proxies, this object will always be a proxied object. AOP proxy. What is AOP proxy? An object created by the AOP framework in order to implement the aspect contract in the Spring framework. An AOP proxy will be a JDK dynamic proxy or a CGLIB proxy. Weaving. What is weaving? Linking aspects with the other application types or objects to create an advised object. This can be done at compile time using the aspect J compiler, for example. load time, or at runtime. Spring AOP, like other pure Java AOP frameworks, performs weaving at runtime. Types of advice. Types of advice. How many types of advices in Spring? Before advice. Advice that executes before a join point, but which does not have the ability to prevent execution flow proceeding to the join point, unless it throws an exception. After returning advice. What is after returning advice? Advice to be executed after a join point completes normally. For example, if a method returns without throwing an exception. After throwing advice. What is after throwing advice? Advice to be executed if a method exists by throwing an exception. After advice, it also known as finally advice. Advice to be executed regardless of the means by which a join point exists, like normal or exceptional return. Last, around advice. Advice that surrounds a join point, such as a method invocation. This is the most powerful kind of advice. Around advice can perform custom behavior before and after the method invocation. Let's see how we implement AOP. AOP implementation. AOP implementations are provided by AspectJ, Spring AOP, and JBoss AOP. This is all about the Spring AOP concept, or you can say aspect-oriented programming concept that is used in Spring. Thanks for watching this video. For more updates, please like, comment, and subscribe our channel.